There is a scan which can tell your doctor whether your cancer treatment is working or not weeks before any other test can. Many people have never heard of it. I'm about to change that. Hi, I'm Dr. Neha Kotaria, a nuclear medicine physician, and I work with PET scan, thyroid treatment, and cancer therapies every single day. This channel exists because there is a huge gap between what nuclear medicine does and what people think it does. This gap causes real fear, real confusion, and real delays in getting the right treatment. Let's start simple. Radiology, the CT scan and the MRIs you have heard of, it shows the structure of the body. Think of it like a photograph, it shows what things look like. Nuclear medicine looks at function. Think of it like a video. Here we give a small and safe radioactive tracer which travels through your body and tells whether the cells are actively behaving or not. Is this organ working properly or not? Whether the lump is an active cancer or just a scar tissue, or the treatment your doctor gave is responding or not. And the radiation, it is tightly controlled and calculated to the smallest dose possible. The same principle behind the routine X-ray, just far more targeted. Here is why this matters beyond science. If you or someone you love has recently been diagnosed with cancer and asked to get a PET CT done, this feels terrifying. Nobody explains what will happen in that room. You will be asked to wait for an hour after injection, or you will be asked to stay away from your young children for a few hours after. I want this channel to be the explanation you never got in clinic, because the doctors are in rush, appointments are short, and the Google give you oversimplified nonsense or some worst case scenario forum. And it's not about the scan day itself. Some of you will get the radioactive iodine therapy, PRRT therapy, and many more therapies, and have multiple questions for which nobody prepared you. Will I feel nauseous? Can I be around my family? What to eat before and after? These questions are real and need practical answer, not just don't worry, you will be fine. And for the caregivers watching this, I see you in the waiting area, scrolling your phone, trying to stay calm, and googling symptoms which you don't understand, trying to translate the medical jargon for your spouse or your parent, and carrying the weight nobody acknowledges. This channel is for you too, because caring for someone through cancer diagnosis is itself an exhausting invisible job. You deserve support, not just information. So whether you are a patient trying to understand your scan, a caregiver holding your family together through tough time, a medical student, or a referring physician trying to learn nuclear medicine more, this channel is for you. In my upcoming videos, we'll go deeper into scans, treatment, side effects, and some unseen sides of cancer which nobody talks enough. Let's make nuclear medicine less scary and a lot more human. Stay curious, stay luminous.